Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Can we all just take a moment and look at Henry and his little paws in this slipper? He looks so cute, and it's funny because this slipper has the bumpy bottoms.
That was like an SUV. You don't do that with an SUV.
I ended up meeting up an old friend over some yummy ramen.
Okay.
I also got my first dose of the COVID vaccine. The shot didn't hurt at all, and they put you in a big room to just sit for 15 minutes just in case. I would say that the second day my arm felt pretty sore. It almost felt like when you work out your arm way too much and kind of in a wrong way, and you get super sore the next day. After that, it just slowly faded into a slept on the wrong side of the bed kind of feel.
They gave me 2 stickers.
2 stickers.
One for me, one for you.
Babe, I'm gonna get more stickers tomorrow, innit?
Yeah, look at, wow, you are so pretty.
The next day, Eric got his shot, and then we went to Raku.
Hand squeeze 간장, the way it should be.
I'm very strong.
It was actually Eric's first time, so we got the seared mackerel, and it was so good. I'm gonna have to get this every single time now.
You don't even need the 간장. So good. I don't even normally like mackerel that much. This is good. So good. 밥도 되게 맛있어.
I think the pop is real. I like the pop more than the fish.
Tantan, neki. You have to eat shrimp tempura. Niku.
You gotta do it again.
Tantan.
No, babe, I don't want to.
Please. Niku. And then shrimp tempura. What is this? Want to give me a noodle raise? Yeah. Ooh. Wow, I got the beef. So yummy. 지나갔어? 이대로 It's a party time. It's a party. 소시대.
What?
Yeah.
Seriously?
I had some errands to run, so while being out, I thought we could stop by some places. We went to Chip City because I've been wanting to try their blueberry cheesecake flavor for the longest time.
Hold on.
I know.
500. Maybe I'll do 2, 4, 1.
2, 4, 1, 1.
2, 1, 1. But this is so good.
Bro, we can do whatever.
Do you want one of them?
No, we don't have to. We can just get through with us.
Then can I get 2 blueberry cheesecake, 2 cookies and cream, and 1 peanut butter chocolate? Oh, so we'll do 1 chocolate chip. Free. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Oh,
before.
okay,
We're
okay.
getting-
On the way to the grocery store, we stopped by the liquor store.
There's only 1 left. You know what that means? That usually means we have to get it. Oh, it's sweet and delicious.
Hey, how many
It's sweet and delicious.
fucking unbothered
We love
things?
sweet and delicious.
I
Strawberry nigori? Oh, let's get it.
And there's also a Japanese grocery store, so we decided to stop by for that too.
I mean, I think we should get ramen though while we're here. What do you think? Let's get, oh, it's $2.99.
That's what we're coming out.
Okay, let's get the different thicknesses. Oh wait, this isn't the one that we normally get. The brand.
It's in the plastic.
Yeah, where is that? It's normally here.
While we were waiting to cross the street, the sun was perfectly sitting on the Llwh skyline in the distance, and it was just so beautiful.
I microwaved it for 30 seconds and it kind of exploded. Do you think it's because of like the cheesecake?
The next day, I ended up trying the blueberry cheesecake, and it wasn't as good as I thought it was gonna
I
be.
wish there was chocolate chips instead of blueberry. Or maybe I'm asking for too much. You have blueberry, very blueberry-y. That's a little bit, something like a milk. It's just not getting me there. You know?
This strawberry nigori, though, was amazing.
Oh my god, it just tastes like strawberry.
What's that?
Oh my god, this might be my new favorite drink. This is dangerous. It's so good. It's so good.
It smells very sweet. You need to adjust it.
You can move it, yeah, it's a little forward, but fine. That is so good.
I've been testing out different milk and syrup to espresso ratios, and I have to say this one looks really good. It was another wrap day, and this time I added chickpeas to this one. I also have caught up on the latest season of This Is Us, and I heard the next season is gonna be the last one, which makes me so sad.
Should be played at high volume, preferably in a residential area.
I had an early morning meeting one day and didn't get a chance to make the bed, but Henry was quick to take advantage of the comfy bed. He looks so small, but I swear he normally takes up the whole bed. My new glasses also came in this week. I love the glasses I have, but I'm actually allergic to the metal on the side of the frames, so I've been trying to get them replaced for a while. It's pretty hard for me to find glasses that are in the style that I like with the limitations that I have, but I love these so much. They're really pretty and perfect, and I just have to get them adjusted and I'll be able to wear them. It was my friend's birthday and I bought her the Hendrix gin as a birthday gift. She enjoyed it, which makes me so happy. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!